Hi guys, we are going to differentiate y is equal to, this is the sum with respect to x. Now prior to getting into this sum, we are supposed to be well versed with these things. Now this 2x 2 raised to x plus 2. What does it mean? It means 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2. Now 2 raised to 2 is 4. So this actually means 4 into 2 raised to x. Now again further we have 4 raised to x over here. 4 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x. That is 2 raised to x plus x. That is 2 raised to 2x. Alright. So 2 raised to 2x. So this we can also jot it down like 2 raised to 2x or 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x as per our requirement. Then next thing is tan inverse. So we are supposed to also know formula for d by dx of tan inverse fx. Obviously that is in denominator we have 1 plus fx square and then chain rule f prime x, and then we also have a raised to fx. Alright. Now if I have a raised to fx, then we are also supposed to know d by dx of a raised to fx. That is a raised to fx log a, again chain rule, into f prime x. So we are supposed to know these things and then proceed towards this numerical. Alright. So unless we know these, it's very difficult. So what I say is formula, you have got to be expert in formulae. Only then you can progress with this. Only then you can progress with these numericals. Alright. Now tan inverse this, because unless you know formula, you won't know what are you supposed to do. Okay. Okay guys, let's proceed now. Now having known this, what I have done here is in first step I have jotted it down as it is. Numerator is as it is, but in denominator I got 4 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x, as I had explained over here. So this part is all done. Okay, now what I do is I try to find out whether is it possible to get this into linear format. Alright, now if we can set up into this formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, then our job is done. Okay, it gets into linear format. But for that, what do we do? This is the formula for this. Alright, if I can get this into this format, then our job would be done. Then we would have it in terms of linear format. Now here what happens is, here let us try to find out x and y. Alright, now here see, we have got 3 into 2 raised to x and 2 raised to x. If we take this as say x and this as y, alright, then is it possible by any means that I can bring this up here, x plus y? Can I convert this into x plus y? Let's think over it. This into linear format. I've jotted down tan inverse this 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x into 2 raised to 2x plus 2. 2 raised to x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2. Alright, I jotted it down that way. The numerator also. Now, is it possible by any means that we get this into this format? Rather, numerator has got to be x plus y. So we categorize 3 into 2 raised to x as x and 2 raised to x as y. Alright, so we have 2 raised to x over here and 2 square over here. So what can we do of 2 squares? Let's proceed in next step. It is tan inverse 4 into 2 raised to x upon 1 minus 3 into 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x is what we get. Alright, now is it possible by any means that 4 we play some trick with 4 so that we get 3 also there? Now prior to getting into there, now let's check out over here. Now suppose if it is 3a raised to x plus a raised to x, and if we take a raised to x common out, then we have 3 plus 1, that is 4a raised to x. Got some clue with that? So what, can't we do it like this? Can't we just split it up in terms of 4 into 3 into 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x upon 1 minus 3 into 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x. Alright, tan inverse. Now we have not changed the meaning. Alright, now see why. Just take 2 raised to x out. 2 raised to x out. So if we take 2 raised to x out, it will be 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 2 raised to x. Alright, we have not changed the meaning, but it helped our purpose. So we got 1, we got 1, we got minus x, we got it as 3 into 2 raised to x, and y we got it as 2 raised to x. And here also we got 3 into 2 raised to x, which is our x, plus 2 raised to x is our y. So we got this in this format. Now this is our x and this is our y. Okay, so it would be tan inverse x is 3 into 2 raised to x plus tan inverse 2 raised to x. Fine. We just have got to differentiate both. So it would be d by dx of tan inverse 3 into 2 raised to x plus d by dx of tan inverse 2 raised to x. Right? So now we have got to apply. So we have got to this is tan inverse 3 into 2 raised to x. So we have got to apply formula for tan inverse fx. So that comes to 1 divided by 1 plus fx square. So it will be 1 divided by 1 plus 3 into 2 raised to x the whole square. Alright, and d by dx of 3, I will write it out, and 2 raised to x plus d by dx of 2 raised to x. So this also would be 1 over 1 plus 2 raised to x the whole square, and d by dx of 2 raised to x. Now this is a raised to x, so we know that this remains as it is, 1 plus 3 into 2 raised to x the whole square into 3, and this is a raised to x. A raised to x is a raised to fx log a f prime x. So it is 3 remains as it is, so it is 2 raised to x log 2, and d by dx of x becomes 1. So that's what is. So this would be 1 plus 2x raised to square as it is, and d by again a. So this also would be 2 raised to x log 2. Alright, so once we get this now, so what do? We just take this thing common, 2 raised to x log 2, 2 raised to x log 2 common. Alright, so we take 2 raised to x log 2 is taken out as common, and then what we have inside left is, see this 3 I am writing it as numerator 3, and 1 remains as it is, but here square I am taking it inside, so it becomes 3 square is 9 into x into 2 is 2x, so 2 raised to 2x. Alright, so that's this part of story. Now this part is 1 upon 1 remains as it is, square I am taking it in, this is 2 raised to x, right? 2 raised to x, so I am taking it inside, so this becomes 2 raised to 2x. Alright, so this becomes our answer. Alright.